Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to create system.io contact from Instagram lead ads. So here let's say that I'm running some ads on Instagram to generate new leads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my system.io account. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Instagram lead ads and my action application will be system.io. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to create system.io contact from Instagram ads leads. So over here you can see that this here is my Instagram account and I've connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page as well. So this here is my Facebook page and now I'm going to show you the connection. So here I will go to settings and in settings I will go to this permissions, I will go to linked accounts. And here in this linked accounts, you can see that my Instagram account is connected with my page that is by the name of Peak Performance Physio. Also by using this Facebook page, I'm running some ads on Instagram using which I'm generating new leads. So this here is the ad campaign which I've created. So here you can see the Facebook page that is Peak Performance Physio and over here you can see the Instagram account. So in this campaign, I have added a lead gen form and this here is the lead gen form. So I'm going to use this lead gen form to generate the leads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my system.io account. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all accounts page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as create system.io contact from Instagram ads leads. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Instagram to system.io automation and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my objective, that is to create system.io contact from Instagram ads leads. So now to begin with the automation, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Instagram lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So moving to the action window, as by using the lead details, I wish to create it as a contact in my system.io account. So over here, I'm going to select it as my action application and the action event will be to create a new contact. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically that lead should be created as a contact in my system.io account. So now in order to begin with the automation, firstly I need to set up a connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So here I'm going to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here the connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect is made through a Facebook account or the Facebook page which is added in that account. So over here Michael Karras is my Facebook account. So I'm going to click on continue. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So I'm going to take you to my Instagram account as well. Over here, I will go to settings. So here in Instagram, I will go to the Meta Account Center. And here you can see that this here is my Facebook account that is connected with my Instagram account. So that is why the connection which I have made in Instagram lead ads is made with that same Facebook account which is connected with my Instagram account as well. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So this here is the Facebook page by the name of Peak Performance Physio. So that is why over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the page. And after selecting the page, I'm going to select the lead gen form. So as I've mentioned that by using this page, I'm running some ads on Instagram. So here in this campaign, you can see that over here, I've added this form and I'm going to use this lead gen form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form. So as you can see that I have selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it. So before clicking on save and send test request, I'm going to take you to Meta Ads Manager once again. So over here, you can see that this here is my ad campaign and currently it is in draft mode. So that means I'm not running any live ad campaign as of now. But even if you are, then also you have to follow the same process and you just have to click on publish in order to publish this campaign. So currently I'm in draft mode. I'm not running any live ad campaign. So as my campaign is not live, it is in draft mode. So I'm going to create a test lead. So I'm going to create a test lead by using Meta Lead Ads Testing tool. So in order to do that, I'm going to this new tab over here. I'm going to search for Meta for Developers and I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to More, I will go to Tools. And here under Developer Tools, I will find this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads Testing tool. And by using this tool, I'm going to generate a lead so that I can show you the response. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select my Facebook page. And over here, after selecting the page, I've selected my form. So now after selecting both of these things, I'm going to click on Preview Form. So over here in this lead gen form, I have filled in the details. But before submitting this form, I will go to Pabbly Connect and over here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it will mean that now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So that is why now I'm going to submit this form in order to get the lead details in Pabbly Connect. So here it says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that I have received the response. Here you can see the first name, last name, email, phone number, company name. Here is the street address, city, state, country, postcode, created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created right now is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've created a test lead, but if you are running some live ad campaigns on your Instagram lead ads, then automatically the lead details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the lead details, now by using those details, I wish to create a contact in system.io. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection. So I'm going to click on connect. So now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention an API key. For that, I'm going to take you to my system.io account. I will go to the settings. And here in settings, I will go to public API keys. And now I'm going to create a new API key. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new. And now I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that a key has been created. So I'm just going to copy it. And over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And now I'm going to click on save. Now here you can see that system.io and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to these fields. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received these details from Instagram lead ads, so that is why over here in these fields, I'm mapping the details from that response. So now I'm going to map the street address. Moving to the postal code. So again from the response received, I'm going to map the postal code. Moving to the city, this here is the city. Moving to the state, so here is the state, I have mapped it. Moving to the country, I'm going to map the country as well. Here is the country. Moving to the company name. So this here is the company name. I've mapped it. And moving to the tax number. So now moving to the tax number. So over here, I'm going to mention 0 because as there was no field of tax number in the lead gen form, so that is why I'm going to use 0 over here. So as you can see that I've mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time I'm going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see an ID has been generated. That means a contact would have been created in system.io. So now I'm going to take you to my system.io account. So over here, I will go to contacts. So here in contacts, you can see that a new contact has been generated. So over here, you can see the details. Here you can see the email, last name, city, postal code, first name, country, street address, and the phone number along with the company name and the state. That means the contact is successfully created in system.io from the lead that was received through Instagram lead ads. So here that means this automation was a successful one. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in my system.io account. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.